This isn't what I want to see when I come home from work. I don't know why you're looking at me. You, how many of my vegetables have you scratched up? Come on. Let's go. Try and get them back in. Go on, Reggie. You go in and then everyone else will follow you. Go on. Go on. Go on then, Reggie's in. Go on. Go on. Here are our little chicks hanging out with the big guys now. You hear? They've got lots of space. One perching up there. They do like to get up high. So an update on our broody. Very empty. So Broody is back in with Reggie over there. She's completely not broody anymore. I think she just sat for too long because the first lot of eggs didn't hatch, and then she was another couple of weeks on the other ones, and I think it was just too long. So she abandoned them, and I found them but a bit too late. Someone's chopping a tree down next door. And I put them in the incubator, but they were dead. So we got rid of those. But we do have two in there. It's a very long and complicated story. We do have two in there that she sat on for about 24 hours, because after she decided she wasn't broody, she went back and sat again. So we put some more under her. And I found those quite quickly and put those in the incubator, and they look good. So we may have a couple of chicks in a couple of weeks, we'll see. I'll keep you posted. Reggie's going nuts now because he had the tree fall down, and he doesn't like any kind of kerfuffle. He's not happy. Deary me. I've got absolutely no idea how this light Sussex chicken has ended up in with these Isers. There must be a hole in the fence somewhere. She just put herself in here this afternoon. I don't know how. So I'm going to have to find out how she's got in. It's very strange. Alright, we found it. They've been digging under the fence. Okay, well.
I didn't realise she did it for pen.
No, I suppose she'll go back eventually.
Didn't they catch her? Or...
No, just leave her for now. We'll sort it out later. She might go back anyway. That's very weird.
The cat found a cicada upside down in its mouth. Look at this little buggy. Hello. Oh, it's huge. It's absolutely enormous. Get it onto my hands. Oh, there you go. It's got little hooks on its feet that make it hook onto me. Feels really weird. And sometimes if I try to flip off, it's a bit hard, but it doesn't hurt.
Maybe put it back on the leaf.
Okay. Ow, 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 ow!
You said it
That
didn't
time it hurt. It didn't hurt that much.
I've got a helper this afternoon. Sadie's weeding this for me. Oh yeah, Jonah's got a metal detector. Have you found anything yet?
Nope,
No.
except for a lawnmower.
A lawnmower, okay. Maybe you need to walk more slowly. Give it a chance to detect.
It will beep if I walk fast, and I can go that way.
Oh, okay, alright then. He's gonna find treasure. So we're gonna mulch this when it's all weeded.